So you are incomfortable. Okay. So one topic is left, that is equation of chord joining the point alpha and beta point, where like a cos alpha b sin alpha and a cos beta b sin beta. One topic is left from ellipse, and then I will start hyperbola from, I think, next class. Okay, so don't worry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can see the recorded lecture about circle, ellipse, hyperbola, circle, parabola, ellipse, right? Also by Maxwell theorem. If you feel like if you required, you can see. So now topic is equation of chord joining the point P, that is a cos alpha b sin alpha, and Q point Q, that is a cos beta and b sin beta. So आपको इक्वेशन ऑफ कॉर्ड का बताना, जब पॉइंट आपको जो इलिप्स पे है वो a cos alpha b sin alpha and a cos beta b sin alpha. So simply we can write na line equation, like chord is also is a line, right? So 2 point is given, right? So this is the chord. This is, let's circle ellipse equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So now let P point, that is a cos alpha b sin alpha, and Q point, that is a cos beta b sin beta. Got it? So now we can write the equation. This is a chord, right? This is a chord joining P and Q. So simply we can write like line equation, right? So write the y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1, like that. So let's take point from P. So y minus y1, that is b sin alpha, is equal to m, is slope will be b sin beta minus b sin alpha. So b is common, sin beta minus sin alpha upon a common, cos beta minus cos alpha into x minus x1. x1 is a cos alpha. So now solve this equation like that. Y minus b sin alpha is equal to b sin c minus d. Apply the formula sin c minus d, right? Sin c minus d, like that. So we can write now sin c minus d is equal to 2 times cos b plus a by 2 into sin beta minus alpha by 2, right? And a cos cos c minus cos d minus 2 times sin alpha plus beta by 2 and into sin beta minus alpha by 2, right? Or alpha minus beta by 2, alpha minus beta by 2. So now solve this equation, x minus a cos alpha. So this will be cancel out. So now after solving this equation, we get like simply solve, get x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. So we need to remember this formula for equation of chord joining at point P and Q. P is a cos alpha and b sin alpha. So आपको you need to remember this formula. Okay, x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus beta, equation of chord joining point P and Q. P point पता है, Q. So now got it, equation of chord joining. Simply you can write the line equation basically and solve this, get this equation. Apply the trigonometry and get the equation like that. Simplify form so that we can remember like x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 and equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, so now I am writing question on this topic. Question one is, if the eccentric angles of the ellipse, the ends of a focal chord of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b alpha and beta, then prove that tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 equal to e minus 1 upon e plus 1. So question फिर से पढ़ देता हूँ. If the eccentricity angles of the ends of the focal chord of the ellipse, ellipse equation x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b alpha and beta, then prove that tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 equal to e minus 1 upon e plus 1. Do that. Tanishq, you can do.
Yes, sir.
You can do.
I'll definitely try, sir.
Yes, you can try. Shai, try to do this equation. Write this equation, chord joining, and because given is focal chord, so passes through focal chord, always passes through focus. Focus is a comma 0. So पास करा दीजिए लाइन का इक्वेशन बेसिकली कोड को एंड सॉल्व कर दीजिए ट्रिगो अप्लाई करके C and D component and dependent, you can apply component and dependent, get the answer. Try to do. Are you trying to do? Please try. Anyone get the answer? Shai, are you doing? Tanishq,
Yes, sir.
are you doing? Or have
Yes,
you
sir.
done?
I just wrote questions, sir. I'm confused.
Okay. Minal, have you done? Manya.
Sir, can you explain the sum, please?
Yes, Minal, sorry, say something.
Sir, can you explain the sum, please?
Okay. Equation. The eccentricity angle of ends of a focal chord of the ellipse is alpha and beta. Then prove that tan alpha by tan beta. It means कि आपको जो alpha and beta eccentricity angle दिया हुआ है, it means कि वो बोलता है कि P point is given is A cos alpha and B sin alpha, right? And Q is point is हमेशा eccentricity angle is alpha let theta होता था, हम लोग point क्या लेते हैं ellipse पे P point A cos theta B sin theta, right? Theta is your eccentricity angle, point is A cos theta B sin theta. So here is given its eccentricity angle is alpha and beta. So you can take P point is A cos alpha, B sin alpha, and Q point is A cos beta, B sin beta, right? So you know na equation of chord P and P Q point. Right now I prove. I prove अभी क्या हूँ? So write the equation this equation of chord PQ, right? So equation of chord PQ क्या होगा? Equation of chord PQ is x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. यही होता है ना? So now given is focal chord. So focal chord end point it means focal chord का end point P and Q है. So it is passes through chord is passes through focus. Okay, passes through focus, that is A comma 0. Focus is A comma 0 for this ellipse. So now put the x equal to A and y equal to 0. So get AE upon A cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus 0, right, equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2, right? So now A is cancel out 1. So cos alpha plus beta upon, or you can write E is equal to cos alpha minus beta upon cos alpha plus beta by 2, sorry, alpha by 2 and beta by 2. Cos alpha minus beta by 2 and divided by cos alpha plus beta by 2. So now how to get this equation? So have you studied basic mathematics in basic mathematics componendo or dividendo? If C by D ratio C by D, then you can write C plus D upon C minus D, right? This is a componendo and dividendo. So apply this componendo and dividendo. Here is E by 1, right? So C by D. So we can write C plus D upon C minus D, both sides. So C plus D, it means E plus 1 upon E minus 1 is equal to, C is here cos alpha minus beta by 2 and cos alpha plus beta by 2 upon C minus D. That is cos alpha minus beta by 2 minus cos alpha plus beta by 2. Got it? यहाँ तक doubt है? Any doubt? Till now, any doubt? Shai, Minal, any doubt? Tanishq?
No, sir.
Okay. You know na componendo and dividendo? I think you know in basic mathematics in 11th class, first of all this topic पढ़ाया जाता है componendo dividendo. जब इस तरह से आपके हो तो आप componendo dividendo ये होता है C by अगर D है तो आप इसको componendo C plus D upon C minus D लिख सकते हैं, right? So देखिए x so, you know, I think you know, so apply this and now to E minus 1. So now E plus 1 upon E minus 1 is equal to So up cos C plus cos D, that is 2 times cos C, that is cos C plus, assume that this is a C. Component or dependent of formula, we know na, compound formula, angle sum formula. In trigonometry, cos C plus cos D will be 2 times cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, and cos C minus D, cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 times sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. We know na? So apply this formula, assume that if alpha minus beta is C, alpha minus beta is C, and alpha plus beta by 2 is D. So now apply this formula, get the answer. So now 2 times cos, get alpha by 2, C plus D by 2 apply, and get cos beta by 2, right? And from denominator get 2 times sin alpha by 2 into sin beta by 2. So now 2 is cancel out, get reciprocal both sides, get e minus 1 upon e plus 1 is equal to tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2. So ये तो आपको प्रूव करना, so proved हो गया ना, e minus 1 upon e plus 1, that is tan alpha equal into tan beta by 2. This question asked in IIT advance. Got it? Any doubt? Tanishq? Tanishq, clear? Concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Tanishq, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Concept is clear? Good.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
Any
sir.
doubt? Okay. Basically, this is all about trigonometry, right? And basic. Now, one more question about this topic. Question is, prove that point of intersection of the tangents to the ellipse at the point P alpha and Q beta is. P alpha means A cos alpha B sin alpha, and Q beta it means A cos beta B sin beta. आपको प्रूव करना है, prove that the point of intersection of tangent to the ellipse at the point P alpha and Q alpha is ये आपको प्रूव करना है, होगा वो जो है A cos A into cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2, and y coordinate is B sin alpha plus beta by 2 and cos alpha minus beta by 2. Basically, we need to find x and y coordinate में, right? Point of intersection of tangent and chord का जो point of intersection उसी का आपको basically we need to find x and y coordinate. So prove that the point of intersection of the tangent का point of intersection to the ellipse at the point, right? P पॉइंट से एक टेंजेंट होगा, राइट, एंड Q पॉइंट से, दोनों एक जगह पे इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे, उसका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन वी नीड टू फाइंड. विल प्रूव that this will be the point of intersection of tangent at P and Q. So you can do, or I will discuss. Minal, you can do. Try to do. Aditi just now join. Aditi, आप भी join किया ना? Aditi.
हाँ सर।
सो आप देख लीजिएगा इक्वेशन ऑफ कोड में बताया हूँ एट पॉइंट पी अल्फा एंड बीटा वी नीड टू रिमेम्बर दिस ओके पी पॉइंट होगा ए कॉस अल्फा बी साइन अल्फा एंड क्यू पॉइंट ए कॉस बीटा बी साइन बीटा सो इक्वेशन ऑफ कोड जो पी क्यू होगा वो उसका इक्वेशन ये होगा राइट एक्स बाई ए कॉस अल्फा प्लस बीटा बाई टू वाई बाई बी साइन अल्फा प्लस बीटा बाई टू इक्वल टू कॉस अल्फा माइनस बीटा बाई टू सो वी नीड टू रिमेम्बर दिस बस आपको ये याद रखना है. Now we can solve every question. Try to do. Now मैं डिस्कस कर देता हूँ. See, this is P alpha. It means A cos alpha, B sin alpha, and Q point is A cos beta, B sin beta. Now आपको बोला गया कि जो tangent that is at point P and Q जहाँ पे intersect करेंगे उसका intersection point का coordinate prove करना है. So now at PQ, so this is the tangent line, tangent. This is also tangent. Now this will be the point of intersection. Let P point, let R point, that is point of intersection, x1 comma y1, right? x1 comma y1 is the point of intersection of two tangent at P and Q. So can you say, Aditi, can you say this will be work like? You can assume, you can say this will be the code that will a special code is for R point. You can say two tangent intersect at P and Q, that is R point. So PQ code will be what? Can you say code PQ will be called? Anyone? Tanish, can you say this will be the code of contact now? This will be code of contact. PQ line will be code of contact. So we know the code of contact equation, right? So we can write an equation of code PQ. Equation of code PQ. That is x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. That is the equation of code PQ. Now you can also know from R, for R this will be the working like code of contact. So equation of code of contact, equation of code of contact from PR point, code of contact, that is T equal to 0. Always code of contact T equal to 0. So T is point R से x into x1 upon a square plus T का equation y square y into y1. We know now, Tanishq, how to write the tangent equation in ellipse. B square minus 1 equal to 0. So both line, both this and this, this is the first equation and this is second. Both are identical, right? 1 and 2 are identical. You can say now identical. So if you identical, so coefficient ratio is same, right? X coefficient ratio. So now we can write x1 by a square upon this ratio will be cos alpha plus beta by 2 upon a, right, equal to y1 upon b square upon sin alpha plus beta by 2 upon b is equal to minus 1 upon cos alpha minus beta by 2. Got it? Only their coefficient of x ratio will be same, right? So x1 by a square cos alpha plus beta by a, इसका रेशियो कोफिशिएंट x का एंड इसका रेशियो कोफिशिएंट x का रेशियो इक्वल टू सेम कर दे x और y का और कांस्टेंट टर्म का, बिकॉज बोथ आर आइडेंटिकल. So now we can get x1 and y1. So now x1 equal to take this from get x1 equal to a cos alpha plus beta by 2 upon cos alpha minus beta by 2. Take this and this. Also here is minus na, here if you take from left equation from left, there's so minus, so get plus. So take this and this. Now if you take this and this, okay, get y1 is equal to b sin alpha plus beta by 2 upon cos alpha minus beta by 2. सही, तो आपको प्रूव करना था एक जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन x1, y1 है, a cos alpha minus alpha plus beta by 2 and cos alpha minus beta by 2, y1 will be this. So प्रूव हो गया. Got it? Everyone understood? Everyone understood these things? आदित्य, आपको समझ में आया? आदित्य, तनिष्क, have you
Yes.
done?
Yes, sir.
Minal, any doubt? Minal, any doubt?
No, sir.
Good. So now combined this and this. I'm writing one more question about this topic. One last question. That is, question is locus of the point of intersection of pair of tangents on an ellipse if the difference of the point of eccentric angle of their point of contact is 2 pi by 3. आपको क्या बताना है? Locus of the point of intersection of pair of tangent on an ellipse if the difference of the point of eccentricity angle of their point of contact is 2 pi by 3. It means given क्या आपको mod of alpha minus beta equal to given है 2 pi by 3, right? आपको locus बताना है point of intersection pair of tangent का. So this is the pair of tangent ना, like this is a pair of tangent. This is a pair of tangent now from our point, right? So similar question we can do that. Try to do same from last question. Similar, same question applies last concept. Get the answer. We don't know point of intersection अभी prove किया. So do that. Please do that. Say the answer. Tanishq, are you doing? Aditi? Tanishq, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Good. Aditi, are you doing?
Yeah, sure.
Minal, do that. Yeah, Minal, are you saying something?
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Okay, good. Anyone get the answer? Got the answer? Anyone got the answer? A very simple question. Already discussed. Okay. पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन का कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है आपको? एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट जो बेसिकली ए है ना, गॉट a cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. X coordinate is a cos alpha plus beta by 2 upon cos alpha minus beta by 2. X coordinate. So let this is a h x coordinate. हमेशा जो लोकस पॉइंट का फाइंड करना था उससे हम h को क्या लेते हैं, राइट? So now and k is y coordinate is b sin alpha plus beta by 2 upon cos alpha minus beta by 2. Right? See, this is the y coordinate, right? B sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. So now alpha minus mod of alpha minus beta is given equal to 2 pi by 3, right? Difference between the eccentricity angle of their point contact is 2 pi by 3. So put the alpha minus beta equal to 2 pi by 3. So h is equal to a cos alpha plus beta by 2 upon 2 pi cos pi by 3, that is 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2. So get 2 h by 2a is equal to cos alpha plus beta by 2. Got it? H by 2 equal to, now similarly we get k by 2b is equal to sin alpha plus beta by 2. Got it? Apply this alpha minus beta equal to get the sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to k by 2b. So you can apply now sin square alpha plus sin square beta is equal to 1. So alpha plus beta by 2 and alpha plus beta by 2 is same angle. So you can apply the identity equation, that is Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So let this is theta, alpha plus beta by 2 equal to theta. This is also theta. So we can apply sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Identity formula. So get the locus. Every time if you finding the locus in terms of sin alpha and cos alpha, apply this identity formula. We need to apply. So get h square by sin alpha is k square by 4a square 4b square. K square by 4b square plus h square by 4a square equal to 1. So now h replaced with x and k replaced with y. So get x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 4. So this is the locus of point of intersection of pair of tangent. Got it? Difference between eccentricity angle is 2 pi by 3. Anyone got the answer? Same answer? तनिष्क आपका आंसर आया था? तनिष्क?
नहीं सर.
Good. Aditi? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Okay. Shy, any doubt? Shy is here. Okay. Shy, any doubt? Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Now last topic, that is diameter of the ellipse. मैंने parabola, circle also में diameter of the ellipse बताया, right? और diameter बताया, diameter. So in ellipse also diameter. So diameter of ellipse. So now the locus of middle point of the system of parallel chord is called diameter of the ellipse. The locus of the middle point of the system of parallel chord is called diameter of the ellipse. So can you say so equation of diameter क्या होगा? Can you say anyone equation of diameter? Because definition में क्या लिखा हुआ? The locus of the middle point of the system of parallel chord. So आप क्या लिखते हैं? Equation of chord whose midpoint given? We know ना? Equation of chord whose midpoint is given. So equation of diameter, we need to find equation of diameter in slope form. Diameter. So let y is equal to mx plus c be the system of parallel chord. Now we know now equation of chord whose midpoint that is h m h comma k equation. I have मैं already पढ़ा चुका हूँ. Equation of chord whose midpoint let m is midpoint, that is coordinate is h comma k. We can we write करते हैं हम लोग t is equal to s1. t means tangent and s1 is the point put करते हैं. So h comma k से आप point क्या लेंगे? h comma k से t equal to so s in x into h, x into h. Ellipse का इक्वेशन क्या ले रहा है? x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay, इस तरह से होगा ना ellipse. So let m is the midpoint, h comma k that is the chord. I mean this is a chord. PQ with the chord, and midpoint is h comma k. x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So t equal to s1, apply t. So t is, t क्या लिखेंगे, x into h upon a square plus y into k upon b square minus 1 equal to s1, that is put h comma k. So get h square by a square plus y square k square by b square minus 1. So minus 1 cancel out. Now x h by a square plus y k by b square minus or minus h square by a square plus k square by b square equal to 0. Got it? So now this is basically line equation, right? So can you find the slope? Slope y is equal, compare with y equal to mx plus c. Get slope will be minus of coefficient of x upon y का coefficient, right? So get slope is equal to minus h by a square upon k by b square, right? Line का slope क्या होगा? So we can write slope is, that is m is equal to minus h by a square upon k by b square. So now minus hb square upon a square k, m is equal to minus hb square upon a square k. So now y is equal to minus hb square upon a square m, right? So h is equal to nothing but h is x, right? So we can write minus b square by a square m x. So this is the equation of code. Y is equal to minus b square by a square m. M is the slope of code, right? Into x. This is the diameter equation, the equation of diameter of the ellipse. Got it? Any doubt? So we need to remember these things. Equation of chord, diameter of the ellipse. Diameter of the ellipse equation will be y equal to minus b square by a square m x. मैंने नॉर्मल पढ़ा दिया already, but in slope form we write the formula only and prove that. Equation of normal मैं different form में बता दिया, but only one thing is left, that is in slope form. Normal in slope form, y is equal to mx minus a square minus b square m upon root under a square plus m square b square m. This is the equation of normal in slope form. So we need to remember. Normal already पढ़ा दिया था. You can see, but in slope form, this will be in the slope form. Normal equation in the slope form. We don't know how to find the equation. So now ellipse completed. Every topic on ellipse has been completed. So now 10 to 15 minutes left. So now I'm starting the hyperbola. Any doubt? Minal, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Can you say for hyperbola eccentricity will be what? Anyone? Eccentricity will be for the hyperbola. मैंने already बता चुका हूँ. Eccentricity will be in hyperbola. Do you know every conic section eccentricity condition? Anyone? E is greater than 1. Always for hyperbola, E is greater than 1. And can you say delta is equal to delta not equal to 0, right? Delta not equal to 0. Now that is new topic, that is hyperbola. Basically this is a chapter. So now definition, the locus of a point which moves in a plane so that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point always called focus, right? To the, and line also that is to the fixed line, is constant. In every conversation, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, same definition, only difference in E value, right? So it means the locus of the point which moves in a plane so that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point that is focus, right? And fixed line always called directrix line, right? So now PS upon Pn is equal to 1 E, right? PS upon Pn equal to E in every locus. So E, for is E is eccentricity. So for hyperbola, we need to remember for hyperbola condition is E must be greater than 1. E must be greater than 1. Eccentricity must be greater than 1. Now you know the general equation of second degree. General equation of second degree. ये आपने स्ट्रेट लाइन में पढ़ा होगा. जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ सेकंड डिग्री. ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2hxy प्लस 2gx प्लस 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation of second degree, right? आपने स्ट्रेट लाइन में पढ़ा होगा. सो नाउ फॉर हाइपरबोला व्हाट विल द कंडीशन फॉर द हाइपरबोला जो सेकंड डिग्री हो वो हाइपरबोला का इक्वेशन होगा. सो फॉर हाइपरबोला कंडीशन इज फॉर hyperbola we need to remember h square greater than must be greater than ab. H square must be greater than ab for hyperbola. And second is delta not equal to 0. Delta not equal to 0. You know na delta? We know na delta is equal to abc. Delta is equal to abc plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BGA square minus CH square, right? Delta, this is the delta. So delta not equal to 0 for the hyperbola and H square greater than AB. So we need to remember condition, these two conditions, H square greater than AB and delta not equal to 0. And also we need to remember E is greater than equal to 1 for hyperbola. So now see the diagram. Let P point variable percentage x comma y. Now fixed point, that is focus alpha comma beta, and this is the A. This is a directrix line, directrix. That is let ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Directrix line का equation मैंने मान लेता हूँ. And this is a focus, right? So PS upon Pn is equal to E. Pn is perpendicular distance from P point to directrix line, right? So now a standard equation of hyperbola. Standard equation of hyperbola. X square by A square minus Y square by B square is equal to 1, where and also given B square is equal to A square E square minus 1. If you know about the ellipse, everything is similar type of ellipse. In hyperbola, in the ellipse plus symbol, here in hyperbola this, and in ellipse B square equal to A square 1 minus E square, and for hyperbola E square minus 1, because negative no, so E is greater than 1 for A, so this will be the B square equal to, we need to remember these things. This is a, we need to must be remember B square equal to A square E square minus 1. Any doubt till now? Any doubt up to now? Any doubt? Anyone? Aditi, any doubt? Aditi?
No, sir.
Minal?
No, sir.
Tanishk? Shai?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm writing one question on this topic. Basic question is basic question. PS upon Pn equal to E. Apply the PS upon E. Find the equation. Find the equation of the hyperbola one of whose foci is 2,2, eccentricity T2, and the equation of the directrix is x plus y is equal to 9. X plus y equal to 9. Everything is given. Apply the PS upon Pn equal to E. We get the answer. Try to do and say the answer. Everyone solve this question. This is a very basic question we can do. at P point X comma Y, S is focus 2 comma 2 given, and this is the directrix line given, X plus Y is equal to 9, and this is the N, right, perpendicular distance. So now apply PS upon PN is equal to E. E is equal to given is 2, right? So PS is equal to 2 times PN, right? So PS square is equal to 4 times PN square. PS is equal to PS square is means 2x minus 2 square plus y minus 2 square is equal to 4 times PN square. It means perpendicular distance from P point to N, that is X plus Y on the X plus Y. So get X plus Y minus 9 upon root under 1 square plus 1 square whole square, right? Let's solve X minus 2 square plus Y minus 2 square is equal to 4 times X plus Y minus 9 upon 2 whole square. 4 to 5 cancel out, so cancel so get a square and apply the A plus B plus C formula square and get the simplified form answer, get the or we no need to solve, should also answer for this question. I think everything is clear. Tanish, any doubt? Can I end the meeting?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt,
Okay,
sir.
so okay, bye, good night. I'm ending the meeting.
Good night, sir.
Okay, I will continue on the next class, hyperbola. Good night.